Hi everyone, my name is Sebastian Angus, Project Manager of the MLC Sports and Aquatics Centre. Super exciting day today because we do our 14th and final pour of the 50-metre pool. This process has been going on for almost 7 weeks now. To build up to this phase, we've seen 14 different concrete pours.
Working with Seb and the team, some of the biggest challenges were that it was such a tight site. This was overcome by Kapitol providing 2 access roads, which allowed crews to work on the north side of the project and us on the south side where the pools are and not have interruptions. Created a really good workflow, and the communication really made a difference.
At the conclusion of today's pour, we enter into the curing period. This then will allow us to do what we call a hydrostatic testing, which means putting 2.5 million litres of water into this to make sure we've got no leaks and we can proceed going forward. It's been a huge effort by the team today, and with our trade partner Mercav and Commercial Aquatics driving us, we're excited to get underway with this next step of this pool.
We're really happy with the result. Working with Kapitol was great, and we look forward to the next one.